wonder that what you should do to make your bedroom look like this? In this video, I will share 8 tips designers follow to make a bedroom look spectacular and luxurious. If you are new to my channel, I am your sis and welcome to our family community, and don't forget to subscribe to join us. If you are planning to freshen up the appearance of your bedroom, then this video is for you. So, are you ready? Let's get started. One of the most important things to consider in achieving a cohesive, luxurious looking space is space planning. Interior design is the balance between aesthetic and functionally for a luxurious appearance in a bedroom. It's important to leave enough space for circulation and space between furniture to avoid visual clutter, and it's important to leave negative spaces to let the eyes rest. My recommendation is before buying the furniture for your bedroom, make a floor plan and place the furniture with exact measurements. Make sure to leave between 30 to 35 inches for circulation and be able to open drawers comfortably. In case your room is small, consider hidden compartments or storage under the bed to avoid visual clutter and to be able to use the space comfortably. Good space planning and circulation are essential for a functional and luxurious look. By the way guys, don't forget to smash the like button to support this channel. I will appreciate a lot. Remember that the perception of a space does not only enter through the eyes, we should consider other senses such as touch and smell. Add essential oil diffusers, air fresheners or candles, or better, have a bunch of fresh roses. Good and soft smell relaxes the body and mind. Adding candles and fresh flowers is an excellent way to decorate a room. Place it on your nightstand, on the bench, near the bed or your vanity, and this will make your space appear fresh and luxurious in a minute. Guys, for me, lighting is the secret weapon to make a space look from being conventional to extraordinary. If you are looking for a luxurious look, forget about having only one light source in the center of the ceiling. Make sure to distribute and add multiple layers of lighting sources in the space. Combine table lamps and a floor lamp and wall and distribute them evenly in the space. Opt for lamps with an aesthetic and a visual language appropriate to your decorating style, and then to mix and match with different shapes and colors. Having a magic lamp is set out of style, and asymmetric balance is key to get a contemporary look. To combine different lamps, you must make sure that there is a connection between them. They need to be a common thing. You can achieve this by choosing lamps with similar shapes, made them with different materials or colors, or you can combine lamps with different shapes, like with the same material or color. If possible, include architectural lighting. This type of lighting is functional and on point. Let's continue with the next step. The bed. It is the main element of our bedroom, therefore it deserves and needs a special treatment. For a sophisticated look, combining different layers and textures of fabrics, bedding does not have to be all white and plain. It's all about the mix of textures, and try to combine shades of grey or another neutral color to make it contemporary yet elegant. And you can add different textures in pillows and throw blankets to add contrast and interest to the room. One of the fundamental elements to achieve a luxurious bedroom is the window treatment. Window treatment can make or break a space. Therefore, it is essential to choose the correct curtain styles for your bedroom, and with the right dimension, guys, and proportion. You can achieve a very elegant look if you follow this. Let's see the 5 most important things to keep in mind when you are going to hang curtains in your bedroom. Having a curtain rod that can extend about 3 to 6 inches from both the ends of your windows. This will help the window look larger and prevent panels from blocking the natural light. Also, hang your curtain rod 4 to 6 inches above the top of your window frame. By doing this, you will accentuate the height of your space, making it appear larger and airy. Next, don't use short curtain panels. In fact, let the fabric kiss the floor. Buy a well-made and strong rod that is made from metal and wood. Or lastly, complete your look by spending a few minutes ironing your curtain panels to make a finished, sleek and clean look. Another important thing to consider when curtains are in the room is the fabric type. You need to block any entry of natural or artificial light from the outside. So blackout curtains are essential for the aesthetic and functionality of the room. Guys, simplicity. Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. Simplicity is something that we always take into account when looking for an elegant and high-end look. To make your bedroom look elegant, you must start by choosing the right color palette. Try to choose natural and soft colors like white, beige or grey for your walls, and big furniture pieces are the best choice for the bedroom. If you're one of those who love colors, you can use them, but you must know that adding intense colors can activate your brain and generate strong impulses. To avoid an overpowering color scheme, use muted color pastels like blue, green or pink and create balance by combining with the neutral colors. There is a wide variety of neutral colors to choose the best for your bedroom, and it's important to take into account the style of your room. For example, if the room has a minimal Scandinavian or contemporary look, it might be good to choose a pure natural tone such as white or grey to achieve a clean and pure space. If you want a space with Japanese or Bohemian style, you can choose neutrals with warm tones such as beige, tan, and remember guys that the color palettes must follow the vibe and style you are looking for. Mirrors are key elements to achieve an elegant and luxurious look, no matter the size of your room. It contributes to making the space feel more bright, airy, and spacious, aside from being a functional element for a bedroom. A large-scale mirror elevates the appearance of the space and serves as a focal point. You can hang it on a wall or lean it against the wall for a more relaxed and contemporary look. You can use a round mirror or with an organic shape, or you can choose a large rectangular mirror with a classic or minimalist frame and place it against the wall. Just to be sure guys, choose one style that complements your decoration. If your bedroom is small, a good piece of advice is to position your mirror in a place where it reflects an uncluttered area or a window that reflects the natural light or the trees outside. It will make your room feel larger than it actually is. If your mirror reflects an area with a lot of furniture or clutter, you can have the opposite effect and make the space feel smaller. And so thanks a lot sis for watching this video, and please share, like and subscribe to my channel for more ideas in the future if you want to learn more about interior design. I recommend that you watch my next videos, and thanks for watching. Have a beautiful week guys. See you in the next one sis.